Attention all aircraft, Memphis information, Quebec, current altimeter 3003.
No, a little bit less bank. We're getting really pushed to the tailwind now. Look at our ground speed. We're at 114 knots, but our airspeed is only 100.
1267,
We have a 14 knot tailwind.
Wow. Isn't that like just above the maximum crosswind for 152?
For landing. It doesn't, It's okay if you're in the air. As long as you have stable air, you can be however windy. Or as long as the wind's not faster than your airplane. Like if we had a 90 knot wind up here, we wouldn't be flying. There we go. I'll try to keep the house right there on that spot.
Perfect. West Bank.
Visibility 180. Sky condition 3,700 static. 4,300 static. Temperature 33, 2.26. Altimeter 3003. Visual approach, runway 36 in use. For vehicle.
On initial contact, you'll have information to Quebec.
Memphis departure 46188 with you at 1,200.
November 4618, Memphis approach, ident, altimeter 3003.
There we go, keep the turn coming. So we got pushed away from it on that side. Now we're going to be pushed towards it on this side.
Temperature 2.24, altimeter 3002. Remark.
November 46188, Ritter contact 1 mile northeast of Olive Branch, cleared into the Bravo airspace at or below 3,500.
46188 cleared into Bravo airspace at or below 3,500.
Man, imagine the people in the house are just chilling outside and then they see a plane circling them.
November 5 Papa, working areas 2 and 6.
Areas 2 and 6, okay, Papa. See this White House below us?
188, working areas 3 and 7.
Apparently he called a few times and complained about us flying over his house too many times. Alright, let's go, keep going to the west. Alright. See, look at the ground, how we're getting pushed over like sideways kind of.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go west. We'll probably head back to Olive Branch then. Actually, let's go south. We'll stay here for another second. Because it's kind of, the winds are kind of picked up at Olive Branch. So we don't really want to do landings today. It's not going to be very fun. Let's add some power. Let's go up to about 1800. Yeah, go full power. So south at about 1800. Depending on the clouds. Okay, let's go east. See that road right there that's running like towards the east?
Yeah.
We have to stay on the north side of that road for our practice area. Alright, so stay on this left side of it.
Approach, citation 74 Tango Bravo is with the 202 for 9,000 weather NOTAMs at West Memphis for the visual.
Citation 74 Tango Bravo, Memphis approach, no landing, runway or traffic information available at West Memphis. Expect
Let's level off here.
visual approach, altimeter 3003.
003 will expect the visual for 74 Tango Bravo.
Alright, let's do a top and turn. Okay.
675 to Zulu with you.
So we're going to put standard rate, so that wing will go there. And so don't go yet. The standard rate turn, if you turn all the way around, it should take 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
We're only going to go north, so how long should that take?
That should take 30 seconds.
1 mile
Okay.
northeast of Olive Branch
I'll go yet.
Airport, cleared into the Bravo
Ready?
airspace at or below 5,500.
Clear to West Bravo at below 5.5.
Dodgers 5-2 Zulu, working areas 1 and 5.
1 and 5, 5-2.
I'll roll out, start rolling out. There you go. You made it. And now, if we wanted to go north and then go right all the way back to the west, how long would that take?
1 minute and a half.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go.
November 74 Tango Bravo, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Any chance a little bit left-right deviations for some build-ups on the way down?
November 74 Tango Bravo, that's approved as requested. Do you know what approach you want to do in the West Memphis?
Yeah, we were looking at the visual 3-5. I think we're pretty much set up for that. I was going to ask you if we're going on the southwest end of Memphis.
Oh man, everything's exposed.
Okay, November 74 Tango Bravo, fly heading 280 and descend and maintain 8,000.
To maintain 8,000 down to 280
Let's
heading.
descend a little bit.
For 74 Tango Bravo.
Just to make sure we're away from the clouds. We can pull some power out and we'll just send some. Keep going to the west.
Departure bearing 3, Tango Lima, just off Olive Branch, 090, 1200, climbing 2,000.
Baron 3 Tango Lima, Memphis approach.
Are you gonna have some power back in? We'll stay here.
I maintain 7,000, 8 Tango Lima.
That's the power. We'll keep turning to the west. So do you want to let them know we're headed back? So you'll say, Memphis approach, Cessna 523 Papa is headed back to Olive Branch. Alright. Keep going west. If you want to do it after you get on west, you can. Let's go past west. We'll go 300 heading. Keep going to the right. Alright, you made it a minute.
Perfect.
But we'll keep going to 300.
Memphis approach.
Memphis approach.
Alright.
November 46188, turn right heading 180 for traffic.
46188, turn right heading 180 for traffic.
Memphis approach, Cessna 5233 Papa, go heading back to Olive Branch.
November 5233 Papa, turn right heading 360 for traffic.
Right, 360. Papa.
It did it!
You did it.
Yeah, and it also was transmitting the whole time. I heard it and saw it.
Alright, let's stay above 1600. Alright.
Woo woo! It's really getting angry.
Attention all aircraft, Memphis information Romeo, current altimeter 3004. November 5233 Papa, proceed direct to Olive Branch.
Direct Olive Branch, today Papa. Alright.
November 46188, resume navigation in areas 3 and 7.
Now click select waypoint. Now it's already up there. And then activate. Now follow it to Olive Branch.
Baron 38 Tango Lima, clear direct to your destination.
Olive Branch's weather one more time.
Flight Apollo, notify ground control. Hazardous weather information from Mississippi and surrounding states. Available on flight.
Get the turns coming.
Cessna 5233 Papa, contact Olive Branch Tower 125.27, good day.
125.27, good day, today Papa. Alright, keep turning. Olive Branch Tower, Cessna 5233 Papa, 9 miles east, inbound for a full stop.
Woo! It's 5233 Pop out of Branch Tower, enter right base, runway 36.
Right base for 36, today Papa.
That's 48400 on Branch ground.
Alright, skip it above 1600 for now.
Branch confirmation Zulu 1715 Zulu.
At or above 1600?
Yeah.
48400 on Branch ground, runway 36, taxi, Delta Alpha, maintain out of below 2000. Departure frequency 125.18, squawk 0344. This is 400, read back correct. This is 33 Papa, you full stop?
Full stop, today Papa.
Roger.
Wait, we're doing a full stop?
Yeah, because it's kind of windy. It's not going to be very fun to do landings. Got a 10 knot crosswind. Might be fun for me, maybe not fun for you. Because we're not used to all that wind yet.
That'll be good to learn.
Yeah. It's just 10 knot crosswind is not the best to learn in. It'd be like a 7 knot crosswind or 5 knot crosswind. It's great for learning. Alright, let's keep going that way. Let's go heading 240.
Whoa. I felt that.
Yeah. Start rolling out. There we go.
.050 at 13, visibility 10. Sky condition 3,700 scattered, 4,300 scattered. Temperature 33,
The nose down a little bit.
altimeter 3003.
Yep.
Visual approach, runway 36, in use. For VFR.
Oh, they changed it.
Yeah, because we took off with the tailwind, they had to change it. So it'll be a little bit better landing, hopefully, than it was a takeoff. We can start descending down to traffic pattern altitude, 1200. We'll let the nose come down, pull some power, we'll carpet out. Now let's go about west. Or like 260 or something.
27.
Cessna 129 Sierra Olive Ranch ground runway 36, taxi at Foxtrot Alpha.
Man, this thing hates the wind right now.
Yeah, it's kind of bumpy because the clouds are so low.
33 Papa runway 36, cleared land, wind check 050 at 14.
36, clear to land, 3 Papa. Alright, let's pick it up a little bit. We'll have to talk to your grandfather and see if he really wants to fly that bad.
Yeah.
The only thing that we could do is landings, because I think the clouds might be getting a little bit lower than from when we started. So me and him couldn't even go out and do ground reference maneuvers probably.
Yeah, probably.
Alright, you can have some power back in. We're at 1200. We're going to go towards those white buildings for now. That's right in front of our nose.
Alright, so just keep maintaining.
79079, hold short 36, ready for departure.
79079 Olive Branch Tower runway 36, clear for takeoff, turn right heading 090.
36, clear for takeoff, right heading 090, 79079.
I think we're a little low. Got a little bit of power then. There we go.
Thing is, this thing's really fighting me over the controls right now, so.
Whenever you're up under the clouds or inside the clouds, it's pretty bumpy. When you're above the clouds, it's normally pretty smooth. Alright, carpet's already out. Let's pull a little bit more power out now.
Woo! Whole thing just tipped.
So we're probably not going to add that much flaps today. Because when it's windy, the flaps the wind pushes your flaps around. So it makes it harder to control the airplane. So we're not going to add as many flaps when it's windy, and we want to keep our airspeed faster when it's windy. Alright, you pull some more power out. We'll start descending now. About 1500 probably. Start our turn towards the runway.
Are we going to be able to do a slip?
Yeah, add a little bit of power, and then we'll get one in a second when we get on final. Alright, winds are like 050, so a little bit from the northeast. So we're going to do right aileron, left rudder. Okay? So pull the power out a little bit more. Right aileron, left rudder. I'll let it come down. At right over white, you'll add power back in. Right over white, add power. We can hold the slip in still.
079, contact Memphis departure.
Contact departure 079.
A little bit more right aileron, more left rudder. Got a direct crosswind at 15 knots, what it looks like. Let's get out of the slip and we'll go into a crab now. Let me see the power real quick. It's pretty windy. In case we have to go around. Add a little bit of flaps.
Beep. Woo! Check and make sure we're not Ryanair.
Alright.
Oh, we got a taxi off on Delta?
Yeah.
Just 33 Pop, turn left at Delta taxi ramp.
Holding short, 36, ready for takeoff.
Left it down over to the ramp, Alpha. Alright, so we got a parking spot.
I really felt that landing, but it wasn't as bad as I've seen.
It's about a 15-knot crosswind. The wind clock was showing when we landed. Alright.
Yeah, this thing's still recording. That was a really short lesson.
Yeah.
4840, holding short, 36, ready for takeoff.
This is 48400, Olive Branch Tower, runway 36, turn right heading 090, clear for takeoff.
Right heading
someone's
090,
kicking up
clear for
dust.
takeoff, 36, 400.
Someone's kicking up dust over there, and oh god.
Might be the wind.
Oh, wow, that plane has such a big engine.
Yeah.
And it's so short. What the heck? I wonder what type of jet that is. I see a CJ4 over there. There's two CJ4s. No, that's a CJ4. That's a 550. I-47856, you still got your engine missing?
I think it got its engine. Now it has a radio problem, I think. I think that was what they said was wrong with it.
Really?
Yeah. Whiskey Alpha got its engine back.
Yay!
It has to do an engine break-in. They have to take it on long flights before we can fly it for training. They'll begin.
All Branch Power, Cessna 1325, Foxtrot, holding short of 36,
We can
ready for
actually
departure.
park normally?
Cessna 1325,
There's only
Foxtrot, Olive
one
Branch Tower,
left.
runway 36, fly runway heading clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on 36, fly runway heading 25 Fox.
Alright. Okay. Let's let you read the shutdown checklist.
Alright. Avionics, power, master switch off.
So not that one, but this one.
Oh.